HobbyKidsTV.
I got HobbyGator this Bee Toys Zany Zoo activity set. There's also hidden surprise toys. HobbyGator found the animals. We matched up the kitty. There's hidden surprise toys behind these doors. Let's see which toys we got.
What's behind door number 1?
Whoa! It's a kitty in my pocket. HobbyGator loves animals. Let's see which little kitty we got. It's a gray and white kitty. What does the kitty do? Meow, meow. She's really cute. She has blue eyes.
Door number 2.
Whoa! It's a Disney Tsum Tsum Mystery Stack Pack. These are the different characters we can collect. Oh, Winnie the Pooh looks really cute. We got this little kitty cat. She's sitting on top of a fishbowl. Oh no! Whee! Whee! All these ladders and animals. They're so cool. Let's see. Let's find G for gator. G, goat. Bah. What's your favorite animal? Leave it in the comments. Yay! Whee!
What's behind door number 3?
It's a Super Mario Brother blind bag. I'm a gold Mario. I hope this ducky does not eat me. It's a snail. Uh-oh, the monkey fell down. Monkey!
Here's door number 4.
It's a My Little Pony blind bag. We got Beachberry. Oh, she's pretty. She has pretty green eyes and a cute little flower on her. Who's your favorite My Little Pony character? Give this video a thumbs up if you like our Zany Zoo surprise toys.